We're back again, we're rapping. Too lazy to rap. Too hazy in that. Slim Shady Gorilla back, I'm back. Cash stack, get this cash. All black. In the universe, like Mooney Merce, verse, converse. The converse. I'm not one of them. So, to be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing. But, fuck it, sitting on my butt, fucking it up, not giving a fuck. Ruckus, backflip, trust me, tuckers, tuck, fuck, chuck, butt, luck, 10-pin wing tingling down your spine. Kundalini awakening time. Bash you with a pole. What is that film that I'm copying? Elegant, magnificent, irrelevant, transparently, whatever. Trevor. Never say never, whether the weather. Hit you in my head, cause that's where I'm hard. Not my cock, cause you're rotten. Lot. Not topping, not off, rock. Croc, killer croc, won't stop. I'm already at the mountain top. I'm watching footy and me. Chilling, surfing this wave as far as I could be. Out, you're far out, no doubt. Far out, man. Trust me, it's God's plan. Look at my hair. Yeah, here we go again. Lucifer fell from heaven, we went with him apparently. So we're still with him apparently. It's all one thing, it's all one plan, it's all one sting. I'm the fucking man. Jokes, it's Pan. Look, listen, God's plan. Look, listen, wolf kissing, wolf whistling, yard. My hair's like an afro, ginger jaffro, low key, low, high, low key. It's the high note, please, worship me. J with the key, golden is me, shining. This shit is corn, like sweet corn, but nothing pops like corn, so. As the popcorn's going off, I'll soon follow. My favourite team in yellow. Norwich, we're watching the footy. Norwich, bears eating porridge. What next? How about a text from someone I care about? Jokes. Taking tokes off their ashes. My bars will give you skin rashes. Lizard lick, wizard the lizard with a fucking high kick switched. Bitched out, stay out. The only doubt I feel is in a woman, so fuck off then. Simply. Doubt, fear, jealousy, all these weird fucking feelings don't exist until there's a bitch about. Some bitch about, shut up and shut your mouth. I'm not in doubt, I'm a king. You're just some little thing in my fucking way. Stay out my way, get out my head. I'm the real Spider-Man, I'm the real Red. Yeah, smoking up the dead. From lead to gold. 10-pin bold. I'm bold. You just got sold. I'm rich, you're a bitch. Give you a stitch with my bars. Put you in bars. And lick you when you're trying to fight with Mars. Cause you can't, cause I'm Mars. Master, the master of disaster. I haven't rapped in ages, so let me wrap it up. A spicy burrito from the dog pup. Pup, 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 pop, pop, pop. Popping off with the Glock, AK, JK, he won't ever stop. You went slow, but you're a hoe, so you better keep up. Maybe I have to go slow, cause you're like, whoa, maybe hot, 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 hot. It's getting hot, the heating's on. I'm sweating, I'm letting, I'm ocean of lies. Is that what I'm doing? Ocean of lies, wizardry from the skies, the son of the most highs. One take, one try, one take, Jake. Killing vampires with a steak. Steak and chips, you're a bitch. Real heat, real fire from 13. Real heat, real desire from me. 23 beat, 23 savage passage. Odin's passage. No homo, you made it homo, you're the homo. No room, bro. Let's punch it out. Kick it out, kick him out. Don't let him shout, cause we feel inferior, cause I'm the superior. Shut it now. Slam the door on your finger. Break your ribs, you little fucking minger. You butch lesbian dyke. You're fat and your nose is wonky. Sorry, I just went kill mode on someone who is like a donkey, but I'm the donkey at the end. I'm donkey. I'm the one who's a bit wonky. Well, fuck it, jonky, Kit Kat, jonky, break you in half. Darth Vader, see if I can later blade. Shaver. I don't really care about rap. I'm too lazy for all that crap. But here we go again, back to the start. Dart, bar, lark, breaking out of prisons. Like the master. Making everyone cry, they think it's a disaster. Break your nose and have it blasted. Run out of things to say, anyway. Low-key, you don't know me. The fire of God and this flow-chi. Ice water on fire. Liar. What? Pop. Lock. Glock. Crop. Top. Stop. Bop. Lock. Throw up on the cock. Oi Josh. Favourite team, not my favourite team, but my local team, Norwich. Their strikers are called Josh Sargent, who wins them the league, and Pookie, which sounds like Loki. And Josh Sargent. It's quite funny, really.